To update Trust Wallet Fingerprint login, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your device. This is crucial as updates often bring new features and security patches. Next, open Trust Wallet and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Tap on this icon to access the settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select the Security option. This section contains various security features including Fingerprint login. Select the Fingerprint login option and you will be prompted to enter your password or PIN to verify your identity. Enter your password or PIN to proceed. If your device supports fingerprint scanning, you will be asked to scan your fingerprint. Place your finger on the fingerprint scanner and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the scanning process. Once the scanning process is complete, your fingerprint will be updated and you can use it to log into your Trust Wallet. It is essential to note that you should only use a fingerprint that is secure and not easily accessible to others. Additionally, make sure to keep your device and Trust Wallet up to date to ensure you have the latest security features. Regularly review and update your security settings to protect your wallet and assets. By following these steps, you can easily update your Trust Wallet fingerprint login and add an extra layer of security to your wallet. Remember to always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrency and wallets to protect your assets.